What's up, everyone? We are back again. This time we're in Las Vegas, Nevada, and we're gonna be doing a little bit of road trip today. We're reunited in the States.
Yep.
Jules out of the military now. He's an
unemployed loser, but you know it's cool.
He's an unemployed vet. If you guys see him, hit him up for a job. He's in desperate need.
I'm hurting. I live in a box, but it's okay.
But yeah, we're gonna go visit my brother in Cali. We're gonna pick up my friend. We're gonna drive down to Cali. We're gonna hang out in Santa Barbara tonight and then hang out in San Diego. It's gonna be a Cali Bad Boys trip, a 2020 right here. And we're gonna vlog it for your entertainment.
And we're gonna be using this bad boy right here.
Oh yeah. And in the back, you got my childhood home.
Let's do it.
Well, okay, bye.
No, don't.
Dad, what do you have to say about our road trip? All right, it's off.
Liar.
Dad.
Right there, look at that crack. That'll tell you what I think.
This is good content right here. Thoughts?
Go away. Go on your road trip. Get the out of my face. Kids, I feel like I'm on MTV or some bull. Off.
Look who it is. It's the Cali bad boy himself, Andrew Brown.
Yo!
Joel, what's your lunch?
It's pretty nutritious. We're gonna go with a Choco Taco.
Taco, okay. And what else we got?
No pork rinds.
Pork rinds.
Some gum.
Gum.
Throw that in there. Jello shots.
And Jello shots. Damn!
What's up?
Damn sexy! The California kid right here. We just added a member of the Cali bad boy right here. Oh, look at this Cali bad boy. What's up, bro?
I know you.
How the did you get the Supra here? Is the real question.
Hey.
That thing's like falling apart.
Hey, it made it, alright?
You need to change.
10 years,
I
bro.
know.
I look too swag-tastic.
You are too.
You look like Ghost Rider.
You are too. Are you?
That's negative, Ghost Rider. Alright. We're going out with the boys.
We're gonna have a good night in Santa Barbara.
Are we gonna get weird and... Oh, where do we go?
We're in Santa Barbara. But it looks like it's dead.
Every time you call, I'm gonna make you go. I'm gonna make you go. Every time you call, I'm gonna make you go. Oh no. When I'm in I swear.
And the moon and the stars and the sky, I'll be there.
Hey, Mark, I hope you don't post this.
I'm not.
Mark, what are you doing over here?
We're just waking up here, the Cali Bad Boys. It's the first full day of the Cali Bad Boy trip.
Oh, yes, a master. Yes, a master.
What do you have to say about last night?
Honestly, dude, I'm not used to staying up that late. I'm like an old man. I try to like read. You guys got me up, but it's cool, man. I don't see very much, so.
What can we do on the beach, Paul?
Yoga on the beach?
Do you go to the beach and do yoga sometimes?
Hell yeah. Why wouldn't you?
You know what? Andrew went missing and we're like, dude, where did Andrew go? This guy is out there helping a random person fix their tire. What a good dude.
Dude, whenever I'm around you, it's just something about your face.
What's wrong with my face?
It makes me want to really f you up because of all this shit.
Is it when I do this?
All this.
Do that again?
I used to do that face to him when we were kids, and it pissed him off. Jewel and I are getting the day started. It's a little late. The Cali Bad Boy's gonna grab some breakfast, recharge for the day.
Turn right onto Bath Street.
I'm dead.
Let's go sit with a Dachshund wiener dog and hold a sign that says "Pet my wiener."
A couple boys being Cali Bad Boys right here.
Dude, I'm so glad we could wash our feet here.
I'm so glad. The good squad.
I'm a straight rider, dude.
Big shot strutting, baby.
We have made it to San Diego, and tonight we're about to hit the town.
Juicy fruit.
You've been slipping lately. Dizzy in these times.
Take a look, take a look, take a look, take a look.
Pickle.
Crack the egg, crack the egg, crack the egg. Just made it to Gaslamp, downtown San Diego, or as some people know it as the Whales. It turns out everywhere in San Diego is closed during a pandemic, so we called it a night and started the next day. Last night was a Monday night in San Diego. Everything was closed. Dead. We're gonna head over to Mission Beach, check it out.
Maybe they'll let us in today.
Maybe they'll listen to her.
Well, we're here.
We're gonna go grab just one drink. Just dock them up. One drink at Water Bar.
How it always starts.
We gotta go try out for the G League, bro.
Hey!
Maybe it's
Yeah, you still got it. Watch out.
Once you got it, you don't ever lose
I
it.
can't hide who I am, you know.
Yeah.
It's a little joke, yeah.
maybe the D League.
You too, bro.
Maybe
And up to dope and out to drugs. ABC, Saturday morning special.
everyone act like we're having deep thought and conversation.
I am. Yeah.
Oh, look who joined the San Diego Bad Boy crew.
Oh yeah.
Guy floating in the wind.
This is the guy who asked for my Snapchat.
Yeah.
The Snapchat poll.
The Snapchat, you know, I could have.
What are we? What is it? 2010?
Is it 2010 or is it 2020?
Big shot strutting, baby.
The price is right. No, the price is wrong, bud.
Find me dancing with the dark night. You pick me up and put me right. Big shot strutting, baby. When I'm walking by your side.
Slayer's here. What do you want from me? Oh man, this is where the San Diego Bad Boys depart.
This is it.
It's the last time I get to see my brother. Ever.
I hope not.
This is the last time I ever see Jordan Jewell
Yeah, I hope so. I hope this is the last time.
Definitely you gotta ride with me, buddy.
It's been a good trip. I love you.
Yes.
That's a good hug.
Thank you guys for hanging out with the Cali Bad Boys. It's been a real hoot. I can't say what Jewel did this weekend.
No, yes you can. I didn't do anything.
I can't compete with that, man.
Thanks for hanging out with the Cali Bad Boys. We'll see ya when we see ya.
Okay, bye!
Stay funky.